Alright, one last video for tonight that I'm gonna do is, so hopefully, for this, the NASDAQ, so hopefully the SPX sustains that region and starts dropping, creates support in that box that I told you right here, and then 3, 4 in the morning starts going back up. That way, the NASDAQ will then start going down, closing somewhere right here, most likely creating support somewhere here in this region, and start going back up. Otherwise, it's going to be flying slowly throughout the night, and that's going to continue creating new highs, and then slowly SPX will slowly continue going back up and trying to break outside the box. But with Bitcoin, something I was trying to explain in my other videos, trying to point out over and over. This is the second time, I think. So we look at right now, I said that if you broke all these boxes, this is going to be a last area for Bitcoin to then bounce on up. And same thing with Ethereum. I'm going to show you Bitcoin real quick. I'm going to take all these boxes and fucking lines off. I'm going to go to a 4-hour candle. You see right here, alright, so you see right here, after we pump on up, this is the main support. So that we pay attention to when we do a new high. You always want to pay attention to this area because this area is normally going to act as the base or support of this. So normally when it came back, notice what's happening when it comes to this region. Alright, you know, I'm going to delete all these lines. I'm going to go fresh for now to show you guys. Alright. So this was our whole bar support. The main one, this is the last one. So you want it to stay between here so you can go back up again. Friday stay right here. Saturday and Sunday go back in this fucking area right here. So the fact that it broke that and it led to your last hope, which was right here, and it's actually breaking that right now. The way your current look, where you're heading, where it's heading right there. And it's either gonna hit this and close above it, but if it closes inside of it, that's another thing you don't want, because then it's gonna get trapped inside here, and that's gonna be a whole nother mission. But to really see where the strong support resistance areas are at, you see that was your last strong support area. Because this now you're in the daily. The higher you go, the higher stronger these areas are at, especially within consolidate like this. That lets you know there's a strong resistance and a strong support, especially when all these candles are daily, 1 day each. So that's a hard resistance, and that's a hard resistance, hard support. Likewise, when it comes down, it's gonna act like a hard resistance, and that's what you want. You want to respect it and bounce on up, not getting stuck inside of it or smash through this. So they didn't go higher for a week. So your strongest area was right here and right here. And that's why we mentioned that in my other videos, or way back, the one that were 60 something minutes long. I kept mentioning how this was a very important area to hold. Otherwise, you would have had this happening. Second part, this is our cushion. So I was saying in other videos, we need to hold this cushion to go back up. And you can see we're about to break it. And this is all screaming, no. So that's pretty much your goal for the night after breaking this right here. So look, now let me go back. It's a week. Alright, so here you resist your support, bottom one, your resistance. So you square that shit off, because you know when the market comes in this area, it's gonna be hard to pass that. And not just that, it's gonna try to act as that support. So it's gonna get stuck right here. So that's why you, after that, you don't really have nothing. You only have 8-hour candle and this till you get down here. So that's why keeping above all this was very important. So the fact that we are, and you see how I mentioned in my other videos how it correlates my boxes to the cushion and everything. This was saying the last support that you have, and it's currently breaking it, and it's also currently breaking my little cushion indicator, which is screaming out, fuck, where I fought. And this is your next area right here. This should be blue. I don't know where the hell it's fucking. Yes, sir. And then this. It's already took it off. Oh, I thought I had a box for it. Never mind. Let's do go. Stretch it out. That way when it comes down, I know that it's gonna have a hard time passing through here in this area. And if it breaks that, then it's gonna be trapping here, bouncing above it, trying to shoot above it again. So look at this as a discount. That's the only way you can look at this. 12-hour candle closes 3 hours. If we sustain this in around 3 in the morning, or yeah, around 2:33, 3:30, you got then start seeing it go down to this region. And we're gonna close probably here at 5 in the morning, or barely here somewhere at 5 in the morning. Otherwise, if we sustain here at 3:30, and start going back up here 4 o'clock ish, then you're gonna start. It's gonna close here, and then it's gonna have that like, are we gonna go down? Are we gonna go up? And then hopefully Friday we stay here, and then start going back up. So Sunday we close somewhere up here or above it. But if not, if we stay here till 3:30, and then slowly start going down. Let me see. Let me mark it down. I really need to be marking this one down so it's so close to the other one because they're strong. Weekly candles already, but this one's another 4 candle. So the higher they go, the stronger these lines are to pass, to cross. Alright, so you can box it up, but it's just, this is your main area that you wanted to get above and start going back up. But if he keep rejecting this area right here, then at 3 or 4 you're gonna start seeing go down here, hold, and start going dropping down. And you should start seeing the same thing with Ethereum, because they're mimicking each other so much right now, just like SPX and the NASDAQ are. See? And what I'm selling here, what I'm circling here, watch, show you this. I was trying to show the homie this. So now right here, if the Ethereum pumped, there was this support, this area right here. Try to circle it in the weekly, I think. Yeah, weekly. So you see how even though we cross in the week, we close above that, and we currently are breaking below. We already smashed through that. So at the time when I was doing that, it was when I was already testing it. That's what I was trying to warn the homie about that. But yo, look what we're doing. Look what time it is. So this is your next cushion. So as Bitcoin keeps dropping and stops in that area, then either the 12 candle my back. Ethereum is gonna most likely end up closing. It's gonna come like a little cushion. Let's try to go above that. They close inside of here, you're gonna be fucked. It's gonna get stuck. Start going down here and get down. So that's what area you want to avoid. It's like a cushion until it's coming down. And that's in the future, just in case it goes down there. So this is gonna be your stop right here for the moment. So at 3 or 4, this is looking bad already. Yeah, this is looking bad already. This is telling me that Bitcoin is gonna start going down even before 3 o'clock, most likely around 2:30, 2:15 or whatnot. But if it keeps getting rejected up here, and at 3:15 we start going back up, this is the goal for the 12-hour candle. At 5 in the morning, it wants to close. Oh, that's what we want. It wanted to close up here. If it stays this region and starts dropping down, then you guys see Bitcoin keep going down. But yeah, that's about that, you guys. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Even though it's Sunday, it's a fucking bloody ass fucking day, yo. And I had to do because some Bitcoin got released. Millions of dollars of Bitcoin got released to people that was locked up for a long time. And some people are selling it or whatnot. So see it as a discount. That's all it is. Boxes are too far. Alright. Bye, you guys.